We've now moved on to section 13. We've got a new project there, 13, PLC Modules. Now we're going to look at PLC modules and the input and output on those PLC modules in this section. So the first thing we do, we've got a Parametric PLC Modules drawing. So we right click on our project, add active drawing. And then yes to the project default values, and that adds that drawing. If I double click there now, there's my Parametric PLC Modules drawing. Right click and as usual, properties, drawing properties, sheet value there will be 0, 1 to make it sequential, and then we OK it. And that updates nice and neatly. Now we do have a blank drawing here. We don't have anything in it right now. We're going to go to the schematic tab on the ribbon, and in the insert components panel we're going to go to this icon here, insert PLC parametric. Now there's two types of PLC insert. You have parametric and full units. Now they're fixed library symbol blocks. We'll look at that in a moment. Let's look at a parametric one first. So when we bring a parametric one in, let's go right up to the top here. Let's just minimize everything. And you can see there, when I minimize, there's all the manufacturers. You've got things like ABB, Allen Bradley, Mitsubishi, Omron, and so on. Now, we're going to insert an Allen Bradley, like that. I'm going to just go for the top one, 1734, and expand it out. And we're going to go for a discrete output and expand it out again. And I'll go for that model there, 1734 OV2E. There's the code there. It's got 2 points, it's got a rating and a description. Now, you have a number of graphical styles for your PLCs. And if you click on each one, you can see the difference. Okay? So as we go through those, you've even got bitmaps that can come in if you want to use them. Now, I'm not going to worry too much about the bitmaps. We could bring one in maybe later. I'm going to go for that one there, number 5. And do you want a vertical module or do you want a horizontal module? Now, in my particular instance, I'm just going to go for horizontal. Scale, you've got the usual conversion factors there, 1 to 1, 25.4 to convert up to millimeters, 0.039 to convert back to imperial measurement. I'm just going to go for 1 for now. Select my PLC there, and I'm going to OK that. There it is, ready to go in the drawing. I'm just going to pick a point in the center there and left click. Now, spacing, 40 millimeters in my case because I'm using a metric drawing, but I can increase that to 80, to 120 and come back to 40 if I want to. I am going to insert all of the input-output points, but I can allow spacers or breaks. If I allow spacers or breaks, can you see there? Note this module already has a predefined breakpoint anyway. So I'll just insert all and OK that. Now, just bring that up there a little bit. I can have a number of racks and a number of slots. So let's go for 2 racks and let's say 6 slots. And when I OK that, it now asks me beginning address. I've got quick picks. I can go for a basic one straight from the list there. So let's just go for the top one and I'll go OK. And there we go. If I zoom in on that now, I went for 2 racks and 6 slots. There's my 2 racks, and you can see there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 slots. So there's a parametric PLC module. I'm just going to bring that one up to there, like that. I'm now going to try the other type of module, which is a full units one. And as you can see now, this takes me into the Insert Component dialog box. And there's all the PLCs there. These are just standard blocks. So if I go there, an AB Micrologic, and I'll go for that one there, there's a PLC, click, job done. It's just a standard block where I input the detailing as a block, as a component. So I'll just OK that, and that drops in there like that. So you can see the 2 different styles there. There's the parametric one with all the information attached. There's the standard block. Now let's have a quick look at wiring here. If I click on a wire there and go nearest there and just take that off of there, there's a wire there. Yeah, same here, nearest. And can you see it takes it straight off of the PLC each time? So if I zoom in there, that's linked up nice and neatly there, even though I just picked the nearest snap. And the same with this one, it's linked up nice and neatly there. That's because AutoCAD Electrical knows that these are PLC modules, knows that these are input-output terminals, and just links them straight through.